Welcome to this Excel tutorial. We'll explore 3 methods to flip a column of data vertically. We'll start by using a formula with the index and rows functions, followed by leveraging the sort feature, and finally, we'll delve into a VBA macro. Let's dive into each method. Let's begin with the first method, where we'll utilize a formula based on the index and rows functions to flip our column of data vertically. This formula allows us to dynamically rearrange the data without altering the original dataset. You can also create an Excel formula based on the index function and the rows function to flip a column of data vertically. Type the following formula in the formula box of cell C1. Equals index, $1, $4, rows, B1, $4. Then press Enter key. Drag the formula down to fill the entire column. You can see the data flipped vertically based on the formula. Now, let's explore the second method, which involves using the sort feature to flip our column of data vertically. This method offers a straightforward approach to rearranging the data in reverse order. Select the column that you want to flip, right-click on it, and select Insert to add helper column. Choose Entire Column radio button. Then insert 1, 2, 3, 4 in helper column. Select your helper column, then go to the Data tab. Click the Sort Largest to Smallest command under Sort and Filter group. You will see that the numbers in Help column will be sorted and the data of column also be reversed. Now you can delete the Help column. Or you can also hide the Help column in case you want to restore the data of column. You can see that the column of data is flipped vertically after sorting. Lastly, let's explore the third method, where we'll utilize a VBA macro to flip our column of data vertically. This method provides a programmatic approach for efficient data manipulation. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor window. In the VBA editor window, go to the Insert menu and select Module. This will create a new module in the project. Copy the provided VBA code. Paste the code into the newly created module in the VBA editor window. Close the VBA editor window. Press Alt plus F8 to open the Macro dialog box. Select the macro containing the VBA code to delete named ranges. Click Run to execute the macro. Select a range that you want to flip. Click OK button. You can see that the data have been flipped vertically using the VBA macro. If you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to flip a column of data vertically in Excel using multiple methods, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.